Here is how I come home from vacation feeling good, not bloated, not burnt out, and definitely not starting over. Hello beautiful, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Charlene Town and I share healthy habits, mindset shifts, and healthy recipes to help you live a healthy lifestyle that you actually love living. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love you so much. Today's video, I want to share with you guys the top 5 things that I do on vacation that have me coming home feeling my best and not feeling like I have to work off the weight or work off the food or work off the calories while I'm gone. Because raise your hand, how many times have you gone on vacation and everything's gone out the window? It's drink all the drinks, eat all the food, no routine, and you'll just start the diet when you get home, right? You worked so hard to get to where you were, to go on the vacation, and then everything gets let go, or it just feels so overwhelming. And girl, I've been there, right? Like, I used to be that girl. I'm gonna break this down for you. 5 easy things that you can do on vacation to help you feel like you are feeling good when you're coming back, you're not starting over, but that you are still enjoying your vacation, because vacations are meant to be enjoyed. You're meant to go do the things that you don't normally do, right? I want you to feel like you can live your life and enjoy being on vacation without coming home and feeling like you're starting over. So if that's content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. All right, you guys, so today's video, we are just gonna dive right in. These 5 tips are in no particular order, so watch to the end to get all 5 tips. And these are all my best tips that have me feeling my best coming home from vacation while still enjoying my life and still enjoying vacation. All right, you guys, so we are just gonna dive in. Tip number 1 is to move your body every single day, even on vacation, especially on vacation. If you're eating more food and drinking more drinks, why would you not move your body, right? Do something good for your body, for your brain. For me, it's more about mental health. I feel like I can show up as a better version of myself, as a wife, as a mom, as just somebody who is existing in this world when I move my body. It's so good for my mental health. It makes my body feel good, and it's just so important, especially if you have weight loss goals, especially if you have just health and fitness goals and you want to go away on vacation, but you're not quite sure how to do it. Commit to 30 minutes a day. For me, 30 minutes is my magic number. It's like short enough of a time where Doug and Liv can honestly just be playing while I roll out my mat and I get a quick workout in. If where you stay has a gym, that is such a great place to have you time, right? Like, take some time for yourself. Go get a workout in. I work out with Sydney Cummings on YouTube, and I bookmark her 30-minute no equipment workouts, her just regular 30-minute workouts, just in case wherever I'm staying has weights or a gym. And I bookmark them in a playlist of like my favorite workouts. And then I can just be like, oh, I want to do a full body day. Typically I do full body days. I'm not like a let's work on legs while I'm gone. And that's the other thing. When you're working out on vacation, we got to change our mindset. We're not working out to work off the calories that we're going to eat. No, we're not working out to get gains. We're not working out to lose weight. Like, we're working out to continue the healthy habit of moving our body, right? And yes, it's very helpful knowing that you might go out and have a really fancy dinner. You might be going out to brunch with your family. You might be, eating something by the pool or drinking more drinks. Fine, but get your movement in, right? Also, that way when you come back from vacation, it's not like, okay, now I've let go of my workouts, I've stopped walking, I've stopped everything. When you go away, you're out of your routine. When you're at home, you have control of the food that's in your house. You can make your smoothies and your salads and all of that. And yes, you can facilitate that when you're on vacation too. I definitely do. And also move outside of your workout. If you like running or you like some kind of cardio, I encourage you to do some cardio, especially because that's going to help you burn a little bit more calories. But for me, what it looks like on vacation is 30 minutes of some kind of body weighted workout that I have bookmarked with Sydney Cummings. And then we go walking, hiking, like I'll walk the 2 miles to go get my cup of coffee. We go hiking a lot. I always take the stairs. So we're typically on like the 2nd or 3rd floor. I take the stairs up and down every single time. I walk as much as I can when I'm on vacation. Just get your steps in, get some some extra movement in, play with your kids in the pool. If you're not going on vacation with your kids, get in the pool and swim some laps. Like, I think we forget how much fun it is to like have fun. And swimming is so much fun, and it helps you burn calories, and it's just healthy movement. It's like that movement throughout the day really matters. Just keep that consistency of healthy daily movement. And I promise you, when you come back from vacation, you won't be feeling like super sluggish or beating yourself up. You'll be like, I am so proud of myself. I moved my body when I was on vacation. Go me. Tip number 2 is a good one, and one that I love. It's that I want you to eat at least 2 meals a day that are really healthy. High protein, lots of greens or lots of veggies, lots of fruit, like whatever it is, think whole foods, but 2 meals a day. That way you can have 1 meal a day that you like savor and enjoy and like you really, really want, right? Instead of eating the nachos at the pool and then, you know, getting appetizers and this, and like we just eat all these like empty calories all day long. Or you could eat 2 really healthy meals, like a really healthy breakfast, a really healthy lunch, like a big salad with chicken on it, but be thinking, okay, but today's meal, we're gonna go out to a really fancy dinner and I'm gonna eat whatever I want. I'm gonna get the dessert. I'm gonna enjoy a glass of wine, like whatever you want, but just 1 meal a day. Okay. And like, it could be anytime. Be like, okay, we know we're going to go out to this amazing brunch place on Thursday. Fabulous. Have your amazing brunch meal for your day and then eat healthier for lunch and dinner, or dinner and whatever, right? That way your brain, you get really excited about the food that you're gonna eat, and you actually take the time to savor it and enjoy it instead of just like mindlessly eating food all day long, right? We still wanna be intentional and we still wanna be present with our food and with our food choices, even on vacation, because that is gonna be huge, especially when you come home, right? It's not about sticking to the diet. It's not about staying in a calorie deficit or a calorie allotment unless that's something that you are aiming for. But on vacation, just think about prioritizing 2 healthy meals, high protein, lots of veggies, twice a day, okay? For me personally, we always book a place that has a kitchen because there's not a lot of places that I can eat out at. So we cook a lot at the condo, and we barbecues, and we do a lot of bowls and tacos and salads and really yummy things. And for me, I really love that. But there's like 1 to 2 meals where I'll eat whatever I want. I mean, within my diet restrictions, but like I'll get a steak and I'll enjoy a glass of wine or a spicy margarita or something, you know? And I know, like I have those dates planned and I'm like, okay, great. I know that on that day, I'm gonna eat whatever I want, and I'm not gonna feel guilty about it. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it, because I know that the rest of the day, I'm gonna be eating healthy, and it's okay. Like, this is life, and life is meant to be lived, and it's not about being in a calorie deficit all the time, or being good, or eating like low-cal all the time. Like, no, enjoy yourself, right? But be intentional about the foods that you're eating when you're doing it, okay? So tip number 3 is one that took me a long time to kind of like get on board with, because for me personally, I used to like get on the plane to go on vacation and it was like, champagne please, like glass of wine please, gin and tonic please. Like, I thought vacation meant drinking, right? Just drink and have a good time and let loose and like all this stuff. Okay. But tip number 3 is save your drinking for the end of the night, like for the end of the day, right? So like, instead of drinking mimosas at breakfast and then drinks by the pool and then drinks at dinner, alcohol, whether it's wine, mimosas, cocktails, are just wasted calories. Like, there's a lot of calories with no nutritional value in it. So if you're trying to maintain like a body weight or whatever, like it's just easier if you're not drinking all day long. But also, if you're drinking during the day and like you're sitting by the pool, or maybe you have like, you're in Mexico and you're doing like a swim up bar, you start drinking margaritas at noon, your 1 meal of the day was going to be dinner, right? And you're like, oh, we're going to this nice restaurant and I'm going to get my good food and whatever. But then you start drinking by the pool, and then all of a sudden it's like, okay, but I need some food in my stomach. So maybe I'll get the nachos. Maybe I'll get some French fries. Maybe I'll get guacamole dip or whatever. And then then all of a sudden cookies sound like a good idea. And oh, well, the kids are getting ice cream. Ooh, I could totally get an ice cream. Because when we start drinking earlier in the day and we've had a couple drinks, we're a little bit loose, we make choices that aren't necessarily made for our highest good. Like we're making them because we've had some alcohol. And like no shade, no whatever. Like if you want to go just have a day of like drinking by the pool and eating all the food, girl, you do you. There's no judgment here. But if you want to come home feeling your best, think about like enjoying your cocktail at dinner. For me, that's what I like to do. I like to enjoy like a glass of wine or a spicy margarita at dinner time. And then I can be intentional from there. But when we start just like sipping drinks by the pool all day, it's so easy to be like, I'm just gonna snack on my kids' snacks that are right here. And you know what I'm saying? So just think of it when you're out and you're on vacation. Also, something that I had to ask myself was like, how do I feel drinking all day long? One, when I had a kid, I did not want to be hungover every single day. And two, it wasn't that much fun. Like it's fun to sit and drink by the pool with your partner and have fun, but like we didn't do anything because we were drinking. So we never went for hikes and we didn't do the fun things. Maybe I didn't even get in the pool because it's like, why would I get in the pool? I'm just going to suntan and drink all day. But then I had my daughter and being hungover is not fun. Being hungover taking care of a young child is really not fun. And so for me, I kind of quit drinking when I had my daughter, and that includes on vacation. Like, yeah, I might enjoy a cocktail at dinner if I feel like it, but I'm not drinking to get drunk anymore. Like, it's a completely different vibe. And again, it's vacation. So however you vacate your life, however you choose to do your life, there's no judgment here, okay? I'm just saying, if you save your drinks for a little bit later in the day or for a specific meal or a specific time, it's gonna help you make better decisions throughout the day. Because it's easier to make healthy decisions. It's easier to make better decisions for your highest good when you're sober, right? And that's all I'm saying there. So take it with a grain of salt. Whatever you want to do, however you vacation is fine. Totally fine. I'm just saying, if you save it for the end of the day, you won't be doing those little extra little snacky things, okay? Number 4 is if you fall off. Say you were like, okay, we're going out to dinner, but then a friend came by, or, you know, you met somebody fun at the pool, or you met some friends and you guys ended up going out for drinks, and then drinks led to lunch, and then, you know, you ended up eating out at lunch, and then you're like, well, screw it, the day's already ruined. I might as well still really enjoy myself at dinner time because that was when I told myself I was going to enjoy myself anyway, right? Instead of beating yourself up, instead of being like, screw it, I've ruined the day, I've ruined this trip, like I'm just gonna go crazy now, like I've ruined it anyway. No, you haven't. Like you just had an off day. The next day, get up and get your workout in. Go for a walk, go for a hike, do a body weighted workout, get in the pool, start swimming, pick your 2 meals that are high protein and a lot of veg, right? One day is a blip. Right? Even if you want to plan a whole day of just like eating whatever you want and doing whatever you want and feeling like I have no rules and no restrictions, girl, you do you. But then the next day, just get back to it. Get back to your high protein in your salads, right? Your high protein in your veggies. Get some movement in. It's not about perfection. Progress is far better and will last you so much longer than perfection ever will, right? A little bit of movement is better than no movement. One healthy meal a day is better than no healthy meals a day, right? So be kind to yourself and know that off days happen. It's not going to ruin your life. It's not going to ruin your diet. It's not going to it's not going to ruin anything, okay? So just get back on track the next day. Say, you know what? Yesterday happened. It is what it is. I'm not going to beat myself up about it. I am fine. I'm a beautiful, wonderful, incredible human. I'm just going to start today like it's a brand new day because it is. All right, and the last tip number 5 is to hydrate like it's your job. Okay, you want to stay hydrated. I apologize. The landscapers are here. So if you hear the humming in the background, I apologize, but we got to get through this video. So hydrate like it's your job, okay? Have your bottle of water with you all the time. I actually bring a water bottle with me on vacation that I just refill all the time, and I have it with me all the time. You can make fun, bougie waters, like grab a lemon, a cucumber, some fruit, make it like a fun little spa water bottle for you that you can like have by the pool. But a lot of the times when we're feeling snacky and we're feeling hungry, it's because we're dehydrated, especially when we're on vacation. We're in the sun. We're doing all these different activities that we don't normally do. Maybe the humidity is different, and we just need to be hydrated. And so if you eat your high protein and you're hydrating yourself, it's gonna cut back on a lot of that, like just little mindless snacking, because you won't be hungry. So hydrate like it's your job. It's so easy to do. Pack your favorite water bottle, just chuck it in your carry-on. I do that. I also bring my coffee mug because I'm a Yeti girl. I need my coffee to stay hot for me. I need my coffee to stay hot for me. I need my water to stay cool for me. Anybody else? All right, you guys. So enjoy your vacation. Get some movement in. Pick 2 meals a day where you're gonna eat high protein and a lot of veg, and then enjoy 1 meal a day. Like, let yourself have it. Really enjoy it, okay? Soak it up, soak it in. Don't feel like you're depriving yourself. Feel like you're celebrating yourself. Feel like you are giving your body the best gift that you could ever give it, which is health. Okay, health is everything. And it's not about starving ourselves. It's not about being skinny. It's not about being in the smallest body or looking a certain way in a bikini. It's just feeling good, okay? What feels good to your body, okay? For me, eating all the extra food and drinking all the drinks, it doesn't make my body feel good. Right? I eat to feel good. I move my body to feel good for my mental health. Hydrate like it's your job. If you miss a day, just move on. Start fresh the next day. You've got this. I believe in you, okay? This summer, it's gonna be so great. You're gonna kill it. You're gonna absolutely kill it. You're gonna stay on track and enjoy your vacation all at the same time, and I can't wait to hear about it. Let me know if you guys have any vacation plans in the comments down below. I love chatting with you guys. Let me know if this content was helpful for you. If this was content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.